This is the review of the Google Pixel 7a and we're gonna review it by Snow Edition. So let's get it. If you guys watch the videos on the channel, you guys know that I do rock a Google Pixel 6a on conjunction with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And in 2024, the Google Pixel 6a is still a really good phone to have, but if you have a little bit of more money to spend, let me show you some of the upgrades that you get with the Google Pixel 7a. The best thing about the Google Pixel 6a by far is the camera, which is something that gets a really big upgrade on the Google Pixel 7a. Just like the Google Pixel 6a, the Google Pixel 7a has two cameras in the back, the main sensor being a wide 26mm camera that is 64 megapixels, the ultra wide camera is 13, and the front facing camera is also 13 megapixels, which looks way better than the front facing camera on the Google Pixel 6a by far. This is the ultra wide. It looks pretty nice, but there's some vignetting going on at the end. Then we go to the main lens, which there's a lot of detail there, and the colors are a little bit warmer. You guys will see that it looks the same with the 2x right now. There's a lot of detail, but colors are still warm, just like the first lens. When it comes to Google Pixels, they are really known by their cameras, and it's still super nice to see that even on the A lineup, cameras are still being upgraded, and the upgrade that the Google Pixel 7 has is actually really nice. This is a normal picture from the main lens, good separation from the background, a lot of detail, colors are a bit warmer, pictures coming in from the Google Pixel 7a are all naturally warmer. This is the 2x, my personal favorite, really good separation from the background, but the colors do look a little bit more orange, just keep an eye out for that. This one is the ultra wide, my least favorite, just because there's a lot of vignetting and distortion going on, especially in the far back corners. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I really wanted to finish this video outside, but it's getting super cold. But drop us up in the channel if you want to see more videos outside. We're back inside, it was too cold, but you guys saw how good the cameras are on the Google Pixel 7a. Except for the ultra wide, I'm on the fence a little bit just because there's a lot of distortion on that camera. The Google Pixel 7a right now brand new is $500. If you go on Amazon at the time of recording this video, it's $374, so there are ways to find this phone for cheaper. That price makes the Pixel 7a a mid-range phone, and there's a lot of really good mid-range phones out there, and I will leave that up to you guys. Let me know what you think about the Pixel 7a. Is it a L or is it a W? Now that I'm sitting down, let's talk about build quality, because the Pixel 7a looks super similar to the Google Pixel 6a when it comes to build quality. Just like the Google Pixel 6a, the Google Pixel 7a has a plastic back. It's that glossy plastic that shines and really looks like glass. Just like I have been saying before, if you go out and you show this phone to someone that doesn't know about Google Pixels and you tell them that the back is glass, they will believe you 100%. The frame is made out of aluminum, just like the one on the Pixel 6a, but don't let that play games into your head. Holding this phone feels really good and the phone feels quality. When it comes to the display, just like the Pixel 6a, it's a 6.1-inch display. It's an OLED 1080 by 2400 pixels with Gorilla Glass 3, just like the Google Pixel 6a. The bezels are pretty big, just like the Pixel 6a. They are noticeable, but you do get used to them over time. The biggest difference in the display is that the Google Pixel 7a is up to 90Hz refresh rate, unlike the Pixel 6a, which is only 60Hz, and you're able to tell the difference 100%. The Pixel 7a feels so much smoother, so much snappier. It's a lot more enjoyable to just be around the phone and scroll up and down and move around. The funny thing is that the up to 90Hz is not on by default. You actually gotta go and turn it on yourself. So you have to go into settings, display settings, then scroll all the way down until you see an option that's called smooth display. Turn that on, and all of a sudden the phone is a lot more enjoyable to use. Another cool thing that I like about the Google Pixel 7a is wireless charge. Now it does suck that it's only 7 watts, which is slow, but it's still good to have the option to just throw it on the wireless charger while you do whatever it is that you gotta do. I know there's a lot of people looking to buy a Google Pixel 6a, but next year, 2025, there's not gonna be no more OS support for the Google Pixel 6a. You're only gonna be getting security updates. So now in 2024, if you have some extra money, I think looking into the Pixel 7a or even the Pixel 7 are gonna be a super solid choice. OS support is not ending in 2025 on these devices, and you get significant upgrades like a higher refresh rate and even wireless charging. With that being said, I have been really enjoying my time with the Pixel 7a. Let me know if you guys want to see something in specific, and make sure you drop a sub to the channel because we're dropping videos every week. See you guys later. Peace out.